Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of leaders were asking for how to generate Bsg Uid for students. Today I'll be showing you how to generate Bharat Scouts and Guides UID for students in a simple step-by-step. Before that, let's understand what is Bsg Uid. It is a Bharat Scouts and Guides unique identification number given to every scout and guide. It helps in maintaining student records for training, camps, certificates, and awards. So, how to log in and generate? So, let's have a look at. Open Google web browser, type BSG and enter. So, the first web link you will find is www.bsgindia.org. So click on it. Once you click on it, you will find members login on the right hand top corner. So click on it. So then you have to enter your username and password. So your username and password will be given by your local association. As a unit leader, if you don't have login details, kindly consult your local associations. So once you enter your login details, that is username and password, click on login. Once you log in, you will be able to see your username on the right hand top corner. Then left side there is a list has been displayed. There is a dashboard, feedback, members report, profile, renew membership. So manage members. So click on manage members. Once you click on manage members, you will have two options there, add unit members and member list. You have to click on add unit member. Once you click on add unit member, so you will find the details to be entered here. The first name, middle name, last name of a scout or a guide, father name, email ID, mobile number, Aadhaar number, and date of birth. In this, first name and date of birth are mandatory, but you should have all these details as a unit leader. After filling all the details, you can click on save. So this is how one by one all the members details you will be adding. After adding, you can see on the screen. So you will get a pop-up message stating unit member successfully added. So click on OK. So before saving, so it's better always to check the details once again, the name, spellings, and date of birth. After entering all the details of all students, so if you want to check the UID of all the students you have entered, just click on manage members, member list. If you click on member list, so you will get to know the all entries over there. So you will get to know the name of the scout or guide or the parent name. So all the details. Along with that, you also notice Bsg Uid is generated. So this is going to be your scouts or guides the UID. Kindly share with the students and ask them to write in their logbook and remember it wherever they go for camps or involved in any of the BSD activities. So even if you want, you can download the entire details and print it, file it. This is how you can easily generate Bharat Scouts and Guides UID for students. This helps in proper tracking and official participation in all BSG activities. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more school and academic support videos.